This is something that's really cool that just happened to me. So I was at a spine research conference last week. Yes, I'm a spine geek. And I was amazed at what came up on the screen. Check out this photo and it'll tell you. So that was an article that I published on a case study from our practice of a person who had 20-year history of vertigo. Now, I'm not going to share with you the ending, but she is living an amazing, fantastic life. If you or someone you know has been suffering from vertigo, they need to wind up getting checked by a corrective chiropractor to figure out the true cause of the issue so they don't continue to have episodes again. This was super fun for me to see, and the project was super fun to do because this woman had gone from not being able to walk in the dark, from not being able to ride in the car for greater than an hour. She had difficulty in getting to school because she was a teacher because of the distance that she had to ride, because the vertigo episodes would kick in and show up. She had no answers. Her medical doctors couldn't tell her what to do. Now she's driving over 4 hours to Columbus, Ohio to see her grandkids. She's walking around in the dark without her flashlight, feeling confident. She's able to get up and do exercise all that she wants. If you know someone who needs this, please pass this video along. Also, go ahead and like this video. Let me know that you do, and write down in the comments if this is you that I'm talking about, and if you'd like to be a part of our next case study.